Hi, this is Mr. Jonathan at the Freedman Branch Library, and today we're going to show you how to make baked streusel apples using an air fryer. It's a real simple, easy recipe. All you're going to need are 1 or 2 large apples, either Granny Smith or Gala. We're using Gala today. They tend to be a little bit sweeter, but if you like your apples a little tart, I recommend using Granny Smith. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon to get started. So follow me over to the sink, and we'll wash our hands and get our apple ready, and we'll get started making our streusel. Now that we've washed our hands and washed our apple, we're going to cut it in half. Straight down the middle, like that. And then using a smaller knife, go ahead and cut out that middle part. Go at an angle to make it a little easier. There we go. And we've got our full interiors. Go ahead and cut those out. You don't want seeds in your apple strudel. It'll give it a nice little boat for your strudel to sit in the middle. And now we're going to go mix our dry ingredients. Get your tablespoon, get a scoop of flour, and then level it off. And have your bowl ready. That way you can just dump it in there. We're going to do this 3 times. 3. Now I have the flour ready. Get your light brown sugar. And you'll want to use a separate tablespoon. You're going to get it in the tablespoon, nice and packed. Dump that in your bowl and do that 3 times. Nice and packed in there. One more. And the reason you want to use light brown sugar is because it has less molasses than dark brown sugar. But if you use dark brown sugar, that'll be okay. You may just want to adjust the measurements because it'll have more sweetener or syrup in it. Now we get our cinnamon. And this is going to be an 1/8 teaspoon, so it's going to probably be your smallest teaspoon. I need a little bit less than what's in there. And I'm going to dump that right there. And there's our mixture right there. You're going to combine it all. You can use a fork, get it nice, worked in. Nice and combined. It's all one cohesive mixture. There we go. Nice and mixed. Now we're going to get our butter. You're going to use 2 tablespoons, and if you look on the side, most of it is going to have the measurements there. So we want 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to cut that in 2. So our butter's there. So now, to make the streusel, you'll take 2 forks and working like this, pulling it apart, mixing the butter into the mixture. Preheat your air fryer to 325 and go ahead and get that going. You may want to get that going at the start so that way it's ready when you're done making the streusel. Now that your streusel is nice and crumbly, but not, you should have big crumbles and small crumbles on there, you're ready to load up your apples. So take a tablespoon. You should have enough to fill out both sides. There we go. That looks nice. We'll go ahead and put it into our air fryer. Fill it too. There we go. Nice crumble topping. Put it in. Shut the air fryer, and I'm going to set it for about 25 to 27 minutes. And that'll give it nice and even. And when you're done, they're going to come out nice golden brown. You should be able to take your paring knife and it should go in nice and smooth, clean. It's nice and soft. It's going to smell fantastic. It's going to taste great. So while you're waiting for that to cook and air fry, this is when you take all your utensils that you used, and we're going to go clean them up. Thank you for tuning in.